working on the old FUMMINS. Got the intercooler installed, AC condenser, radiator. Right now we're working on some fuel line fittings, building brackets and stuff for it. Got the fuel pressure regulator here. It's gonna be sitting somewhere. Built this bracket for it. It'll be sitting here. Got the hose running down to the injection pump. And then of course the feed line, which will go down here. And then I got a bracket, little bolt here, a bolt back here for the returns, and then run it all down. I got my CCV mod all figured out, capped off, and the hose ran down. Air horn. Fuel side should be done. Picking up another turbo, 3rd gen turbo tomorrow. We'll get it mounted. What's up, dude? So Amazon came in clutch with the 12-inch fans. I can't run the mechanical fans because it's a 12 valve in this OBS, if y'all didn't know that. It's a 97P pump. Advanced timing, blah, 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 blah. You don't want to hear all that. Who cares? Anyways, got a color match. You can see pictures on my Instagram. Yeah, so we got to have electric fans to cool this old gal. It's got a 7.3 radiator in it. So ought to be plenty big to keep it cool. The mechanical fan won't clear this big, huge V10 radiator, V16 radiator, V29 radiator. I've got to run these instead of mechanical fan, or else it just destroy my $25,000 radiator. So we're gonna see if these fit. Oh yeah, I like a glove, love it. So these bad boys, I got 2 of these suckers. Really, they weren't even that expensive, so hopefully they're not garbage, because I really need them. They put out like 25,000 CFMs each, so that's 50 CFMs each, well, total, combined. A lot of CFMs. 05 turbo off of a old Cummins. I got a brand new manifold on here, DPS manifold. Just need the turbo temporary right now. I'm gonna try to get a compound set up eventually through power driven diesel, I believe, or no, diesel, somebody's got one for the FUMMINS, because my heater box is in the way. Built this bad boy. Injector return line, injection pump return, and then the main return. This sun gun is gonna sit right on top of the head. Man, we're gonna get this old girl started on the key tonight. My dad doesn't think so. He's in the background with big eyes. I got faith. That's all that matters.
I'm gonna try something. Go ahead. Not me. Okay. Go ahead.
Try it again.
Hold on. Do it.
Off the key, man! Gotta make the other side, but got the driver's side one done. Yep. We got it all mocked up, got this side done. He's cutting the elbow. So in reality, we're gonna have This here, we're gonna cut it off about right here. We're gonna take this elbow, bring it in. We'll cut it off here. Bring this elbow in right here. Cut this off, bam. Weld them together. He's got the elbow go over there. Weld these together. Make us our pipe. Get this one welded up. Installing these big old fans, boy. Massive. Actually, I should have went way bigger. These are actually really, really tiny. But it's a big ass radiator. 2 small fans, big intercooler. It'll work. Had to brand the engine. Bam, babe. Yeah, looking good. Bougie. So I'm currently trying to build a downpipe. I got this side pretty good. Flange is good. It's all welded up. But this elbow, for it to clear my cross member, at first it was like this, and I've cut an angle out on it to bring it up, and I think I'm still gonna tack it up a little bit more just to be safe. And just fill in the rest of the gap or whatever with weld. But yeah, hopefully it works. Ooh, new truck part. I wonder what this is. Oh yeah, we here at Mother Road Mayhem, boy. About to get some clips. I don't know. See how it goes. It's the first year of them doing it, so it looks pretty decent. There's quite a bit of trucks here for the first show up, so check it out. Look at the transition. Oh! Quad, OBS, quad, OBS. We should come and swap a quad next. 4BT.